Hi, this is Brittany from the Goddess Complex LLC here. Welcome to Breaking News. And this edition, this small snippet, I'm showing you guys how to get a free EIN number. There's a lot of different YouTubers I've been learning from. One is Cameron James. I actually watched this video. This is from December or November of 2022, where he shows you how to get a free EIN number, especially if you are already registered with your state. He also shows you how to get a free LLC and several other marketing and business investment videos. Also, he also provides a step-by-step view. I will leave the link of this video below. But his name is Cameron James, and there's several other people in future videos I will shout out and also give credit to as I walk you through the information on my journey of becoming financially free and also spiritually balanced. All righty, so in this particular take, we're going to actually walk you through what he walked me through. I'm just going to show briefly this website where you're going to be going to www.irs.gov. As you can see, I'm already here. All right, you're going to go to the IRS.gov. I haven't an account with them and everything of that nature. Of course, you can make payments and all those different things as well. Especially if you've already applied for your taxes. I've done my personal taxes. I do my taxes. Have been doing my taxes rather for the last couple of years. You can always get your refund and other different things, especially if you have the child tax credit and things of that nature to file as well. You're going to go to the irs.gov if you already have your LLC, if you already have your S corp and things of that nature registry certification for your business or registry. I went to Ink Authority. Several other people love Taylor Brands and other different brands as Ink File, and I've heard other people talk about other avenues. Zen Business is another one. To get your LLC, it costs $0 down to get your LLC, but to file it here in Tennessee is $308.25 to file your with the state of Tennessee for your LLC. So that I paid for that in 2021. Now that I am picking up business, I've been making products, especially did pretty decent last year. And I'm still learning a lot of different things, especially with stock inventory and tax laws, also grants and things of that nature. So I need more funding. So I made sure here in Tennessee is a little different. You can do, of course, in the U.S. and maybe different over in Africa, Asia, India, Indonesia, and of course Europe and different things like also South America. It's different per country, continent, and also state and city. Memphis, we're blessed to have a lot of different vendor laws and things of that nature where we can freelance businesses literally on the street corners in different lots and different public events and things of that nature with and without a vendor's license or certification. But we also have free classes with the city of Memphis. Um, I actually learned from Cameron James, and I did a quick search because that was on my to-do list for 2023. I needed to get my EIN so I can also hire my employees. So over here on irs.gov, you see here everything. You have everything here, everything from tax filing, things of that nature. You can get your different EIN pins, which we're going to go here. So file. So you're going to go to file. Whether you have an S corp, LLC, sole proprietor, it just depends on what you have. Definitely get your EIN and your business banking account. We're going to also follow up with that in the next video. We're going to go to apply for employer identification number, which is an EIN number. All righty. There is a change. Cameron James did mention this, which I saw last year in the change, checking the IRS website for some different things. You can also get your W-2 forms for your employees. All the different type of forms for tax filing and registration. So right here, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Times. So only between Monday and Friday, between the hours of 7 a.m. and 10 p.m., can you actually sign up for your EIN number. All right, and you're going to go to apply online. All right, I'm not going to walk through the whole thing because I don't want it to. You're going to click OK for that agreement. This is the EIN assistant. All right, and you're going to click. You're going to read through everything. All right, the restrictions on here. Please read through a lot of this. A lot of this stuff I already knew. But just read the restrictions and also the excess points in notes. All of this right here. Know your laws, know your restraints and restrictions when it comes to some of the things of this nature. It'll save you so much time later on with tax filing and stuff like that, especially little key details, stuff like that, especially if you have an international business online or offline. You have effective here, excuse me, May 21st, 2012. So just knowing that, and also checking for updates. That way you stay up to date on what's out of date and and what is inactive or what is active rather. You're gonna hit click begin. Right here, you're gonna check sole proprietor partnerships, corporations, limited liability company, which is an LLC. You have an estate trust, and also it says view additional types of things, notations and entities, which is tax exempt and government organization, which would be your nonprofits. I'm believing. All right, and so you have this. I click, of course, LLC for the Goddess Complex LLC. If you have sole proprietor, this is going to be used especially for people who are more so independent artists and things of the nature, more so self-employed, but you do everything yourself. Even though I do everything myself, get an LLC if you know you're going to hire help, whether temporary or full-time, part-time contract. All righty. I know I'm going to hire employees. So my voice is breaking up. Excuse me for that. Limited liability LLC. I know I'm going to have that, and my company has different industries incorporated in it, including media and goods and services and things of that nature as well, and also publications with my books and stuff like that. So it's a little different. So I have a multiverse company that's going to expand. Also, I have a technically a nonprofit or a good service actual organization attached, an initiative attached to the Goddess Complex LLC. So we have other stuff developing. If you know you're an artist or something of that nature, sole proprietor, but go ahead and apply for limited liability company because you're going to add on and grow and expand your company. Unless you know for sure it's just a small company that you're going to be only self-serving and stuff like that, etc., or collaborating with. You need to apply for the LLC. All right, you're going to click next. Then you're going to read through this. You have chosen limited liability, blah blah blah. All righty. How many members? We're gonna put one. Of course, I've already done this. We're gonna put the state of Tennessee. It's gonna vary for each state, of course. You're gonna read through the limited liability selection. It says you're considered a single member limited liability. I have my EIN now, so I will hire somebody later on this year to help me with different projects and things of that nature. Temporary, full time, or contract. All righty. Especially here in the state of Tennessee, we have different temporary to hire, which is in America as well, North America. But we also have here in Tennessee, of course, contractual, part time, and contract only type of new hire and stuff like that. Laws, employment laws, and things of that nature. And it's all over America, but here in Tennessee is very specific and very precise. All righty, so you have this. Please read over this part here. Um, when you read over this part, it's going to break down everything else. Since it's just me right now, and I don't have a partner, I won't be needing this. All right. All righty. So since it says single member LLC, I don't have a partner unless I add my husband or someone else, which I will later on. And also adding employees, which is why we have to get the EIN, even though I don't need it in the state of Tennessee. But if you need to buy storefront, physical retail property and things of that nature, no matter how small it is, like a mall kiosk or boutique, to a large storefront like Walmart, you will need a certain you will need a EIN. Of course, you're going to hire bigger the property, more employees, staff, and things of that nature. All righty. The reason I started because I started a new business. Let's go here. It's going to give me why is this LLC requesting an EIN? These are your options. Started a new business, hired employees, banking purposes. Also, change type of organization and purchase active business. All right, so we didn't purchase a franchise, so we won't need a purchase active business or etc. Okay, here you're going to actually fill everything in. Okay, you will have to sign in your Social Security. I'm going to stop here just because of that reason, because I am live streaming. Alrighty, and then here you're going to say I am the owner, members, especially if you have partnerships in the S corporation and etc. And I am third party applying for EIN. If I hired someone to do my EIN, like my accountant, my HR personnel, something of that nature, who is speaking on my behalf, I will be doing this here with the EIN. Alrighty. So next you will be addresses, details, uh, and then EIN confirmation. At the end, it's going to tell you to download or print your EIN statement email. All right. Please, please, please download this. Try to do this from a PC, laptop, computer, or tablet where you can transfer it to your cloud, drive, or something very secure on your computer, and put it in a file with all your business documents. It's going to give you your employer tax ID, okay? Your EIN number is your tax ID number. Make sure you're saving that whole document for tax purposes. Also saving it for your business files from beginning to close a business or beginning to continue an expansion of business. Like if you're going to be open 20 to 30 to 50 years, 100 years from now, please save that document until you change your EIN number. Now, Don's numbers is something different. I've heard of Don's number and everything before, as well as when you register your company after your EIN. Alrighty. Drew's business. I think it's Drew's business. I think her name's Drew's business. I'm going to leave her link below. We're going to talk about the Don's number and my experience with it. It was very quick and easy. She gives very thorough between Cameron James and I think it's Drew's business. I really love their videos so far. I've learned a lot, and I'm going to share my favorite motivational money marketing business inspirational speakers and influencers on YouTube. There's several on Instagram, but I'm going to show on YouTube because I'm just now getting back on YouTube. Only because I have to enter my my social security number and stuff like that. All right, I'm not going to do it because it's going to actually show. Um, Make sure everything, if they're going to tell you check your details, it will send you back if all your information is not correct. Make sure you confirm everything. It's going to instantly give that number. It's very pale in print and type. It's very I call it the government print or professional print. So you're going to make sure you save everything. I actually wrote it down in my ledger and kept a electronic digital copy. I'm going to keep one somewhere safe in an incognito type of compressed file folder or application where all my business stuff, not just a USB, just in case I lose a USB, I always keep a digital file share folder somewhere where it's compressed, zipped away that no one else can get to it. All righty, print it. Print you out a copy of it. Keep one on your computer and also on a USB. Also keep it on the go, just in case you're at a meeting or something of that nature. You're at the bank with money and things, just whatever. Keep something where it's very incognito tabs or applications where you can upload and actually have your number on the go. For me, I keep my ledger with me just in case I need that number now. All righty. So next time we're going to check out with the EIN, you immediately go get your business banking account. That's just the traditional way of doing it. Also, then you get your Don's number and you register several other entities with your company. All righty. So let me stop sharing the screen.